Hi guys, it's Tuesday again and I have another video for you, and I'm gonna show you how to make easy trees, bushes or corals, anything like that, using my favorite, as you know, sugar paste pastillage. And the way they look, those corals or trees or bushes, are like this. This is the end result. And you can make smaller pieces, of course, like this. You can use scissors or just simply split it. I have a big one here. I'm gonna show you more later. And I have some pictures of my cakes that I found using the same technique, like this one, for example. Those are very light ones, so they can stand easily on some branches. And you just glue them together with some chocolate. And it's very easy to make and very easy to use. And those are green ones, like this one I've just made. And I'm gonna show you with white ones. And you can pre-color your pastillage before you make your corals. And so simple. Let me show you. I have here 500 grams of pastillage. And I have here 250 grams of powdered sugar. And we have to mix those two together to make the pastillage a little more hardened. And it's not warm right now. So first of all, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Just to heat it up a little bit and then mix it with the sugar. I'll be back. It's warm right now. Be careful. There are some places, some spots that could be hot. And then you take, oh my God, then you take 2/3 of your sugar. Something like that, and you knead it in. Now we're gonna place it in the microwave again for 30 seconds so we can knead in the rest of our sugar. Now add the rest of your sugar and knead it in. Okay, now we'll make smaller balls, 100 grams each, approximately. Okay, now make round balls. Now the balls are ready, and all we need is some coffee cups, and we're going to place the coffee cup and the balls in the microwave. You just line it with baking paper, parchment paper, whatever you have, and place the ball inside. Make sure the paper is larger than your cup, because our pastillage is gonna rise. Okay, now cup by cup, just put it in a microwave for 50 to 60 seconds. This one was in microwave for 60 seconds, a little bit too much, I believe, because it ran away. But we still have some beautiful pieces of these corals. Now just leave it to cool down a little bit, and in the meantime, I'm gonna put in the microwave the second one, but this time only for 50 seconds. This one was in the microwave for 50 seconds. Let me check what happened with the first one. We have some small pieces because it was in the microwave for too long, but we still have some of them that look very beautiful. I tried one with 45 seconds just to see what happens. It kind of rises up and then falls inwards. And this is our second one. It's like one piece. It looks like this. And in the meantime, while this cools down, let me show you green trees. If you have a branch and you want to place some green stuff on it, you just choose two pieces that you like, and that maybe, preferably if they fit together. Oh, I don't know, like for example, these two. And if you have a branch in the middle between, you just stick them like this and use some chocolate, white or dark chocolate, to glue them together. Or you can make smaller pieces that look even nicer. Try to search for some round ones, or make round ones using scissors or your knife. Now let's check 45 seconds. Because it depends on your microwave, you have to try. This one is a little bit warm right now, but you can see what we got. You can use one piece. It looks like a coral on the bottom of the sea. So this is it. I still have 4 pieces left, and I will not do it today. I'll just store them in a bag and put them in the fridge, and I can use it any other time. So you don't have to do it all at once. And for these ones, you can just store them in an airtight container, and they last for a very long time. I hope you liked today's video. I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, something that I maybe forgot to tell you, please do ask. I will be happy to answer you all. I wish you all the best. Don't forget, anything is possible. Have a great day. Bye-bye.